In this step-by-step tutorial, we will show you how to easily convert JPG files to PDF on your iPhone, with no need for additional applications. You will learn how to quickly, or complex procedures, and efficiently convert your images to PDF format, regardless of your technical skills. Follow these simple instructions, and you will soon be ready to create PDF versions of your images from the comfort of your iPhone. The first step is to open the gallery on your phone. Then select a random photo from the gallery. After that, tap on the Share button, located in the bottom left corner of the screen. You will not see an option to switch it over to a PDF. Scroll down and click on the Print option here. Then the printing option becomes available, but we won't actually print it. Instead, we'll convert it to a PDF. Tap the Share button again, in the upper right corner of the screen, and you can see it says Creating PDF. And now, right below the photo, it says PDF document now. You can do whatever you want with this converted image. The JPG is now turned into a PDF. You can use AirDrop, send it via messages or email, share it through Messenger or WhatsApp, copy it or choose the Save to Files option to save it directly on your iPhone in the Files app. And essentially, what you've done is converted the image into a PDF. Of course, the process is exactly the same. If you exit this environment and are just in a Google search, where you look for a specific image, and save it to your photo gallery, you can perform the exact same process, whether you capture the image directly, using your phone's camera, or whether you saved it from a specific website or web page. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.